Welcome back to Project RSX. Today we're on episode 10! And in the last episode, I ended up making some upgrades to the shifting by changing some bushings as well as some springs. But in today's episode, I ended up buying a $25 LED strip light for the inside of my car. Here's how it went. Guess what? I just bought some lights. These are gonna go in the RSX. It's from Gove, whatever that company's name is. RGB car LED strip lights. We got the app, you can control it. 16 million colors. I didn't even know there were 16 million colors. That's kind of ridiculous, actually.
That's ridiculous.
If you guys know 16 million colors, go ahead and put all 16 million of them in the comments. All 16 million. Colorful lighting. It better be fucking colorful if there's 16 million colors. You can adjust the brightness. DIY scenes. So I'm sure you can edit how you want your lights to portray. You know, you want to pulse them or whatever. Music mode. I've installed these lights for a friend. For him, the music mode was kind of iffy because some songs it would work nice, some songs it wouldn't. And it's safe to use. Although there's 16 million colors, it's good to know it's safe to use. So let me show you guys what's inside. So here's everything that comes in the box. You got the lights, of course. You got 4 strips, one for passenger front, passenger rear, driver's front, driver's rear. And then you plug into a cigarette lighter, you press this button, and then there's this thing right here that can control different settings, and then you can also control stuff on your phone. 3M tape on this if you want to stick it onto something like a trim piece so it's out of the way. These little tiny screws, some zippy ties. And we don't need this. We're not stupid. We know how to do this. So let's go to the vehicle and get on with the installation. By the way, I purchased all this for 25 bucks. It's pretty cheap for the value. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so here's how the inside looks. It's a bit dirty, all this salt, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna clean it up after. You guys have to game plan how you're gonna set this up. Cigarette lighter is right here. I'm currently using mine for a charger, but I don't need that there always. It's gonna plug in here, and then it's gonna separate. So 2 of the lights are gonna come here, and I'm gonna route it this way. So 1 there, route it down here, behind this trim, go underneath the seat, and I'm gonna stick the other one behind the seat, like underneath. It's gonna be under here for the back lights. So same thing on that side. It's gonna be underneath there. And then I'm gonna stick the front lights underneath that area. So it hits your feet. It just gets all this area. So that's the plan. So I'll clean this up after. I'll show you guys how I set it up. Okay, so I already stuck 1 light. I'll show you guys how I'm doing this. So you see there? So I plugged it in right here. It's running down here, the wire. It goes in under here, and then here are the controls, which I'm just gonna stick on like that right there. You know, the wire gets mostly covered, and then the other wire coming out is gonna go to the light, which goes up in there, and I stuck it right there. I stuck it right there, that light right there. On this plastic trim piece, it's gonna reflect down here, and now it's coming out from this side. See the wire coming out from this side? I had to pop out this trim piece here, so I popped this trim piece out. I'm gonna tuck the wire in here. I pop this trim piece out right here, which is this, and then I'm gonna run it down here, down in behind the seat, and then stick it on the bottom of the seat. I'm also using a heat gun, so I heat up the adhesive, you know, the sticky part, this part right here. I heat it up just a little bit and stick it on so it sticks just a little bit better. But you don't have to do that. I'm only doing it because it's cold out right now. All right, let's finish this. Okay, I got one side set up. This is how I'm feeding it over to the other side. I actually fed the wire to go underneath this trim. You see the wire coming out right there. You see that? You see that wire right there? And going across, going down there, and coming out from here. Now I can do the passenger side. So I'm doing it like this so I can make it look clean without showing as much wire. Also, the screws that you get, you could use them for the lights. For whatever reason the stick doesn't stick, then you could use the screws. And I already tested the seat. When you pull the seat all the way up, it's not gonna hit this. So you gotta make sure you do those things and check that before you actually put this on. Alright, I have it all hooked up. You guys ready to see this? Oh my god, that looks like a club. It's a club in here. Let's put some jams on. God damn, that looks nice. Wow, the car is a club now. Look at his shoes. Look at his shoes. have the button hooked up right here so I could change the color. Jeez. Ooh, red looks nice too. Let me show you guys how red looks. God damn. You can also make it like flicker. So now you're at a club. So if your friends are drunk, you put them in your whip and they'll never want to leave, which could be bad, but it will make it seem like they're at the club still. Not bad, man. This is pretty lit. For 25 bucks, this is a good like upgrade to the inside. Make the car feel more alive. I could turn it off too, but why would I? Oh my god, I love the purple. I love the purple. I'm gonna keep it solid purple. It pops. It's nice. Yep, I'm happy. I recommend everyone buy these. Everyone buy them, get them a gift for somebody. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. Whoa, hold on. If you hold the bottom button, look, if you hold one of the buttons, you can control the brightness. Wow, you control the brightness of the light. Look, see, that's the most dim you can make it. But if you want it brighter, let's say, there you go, look how bright that is. You know, I don't recommend putting these lights on when your car's not started, because then you're gonna be draining your battery. But when your car started, it's okay, your alternator is charging your battery. So I would just press this button when my car is not started. Let's say your ignition is on, and then, you know, just turn it back on. We're back to business. It's a thumbs up for me. If you guys enjoyed that, I'm enjoying them like crazy. And like, I don't even have nice mats. These are just like dirty old, you know, regular ones, but now they're sick. So yeah, get these. I recommend them. I got them from Amazon. I'll leave a link. I'll see you guys in the next one.